Hey guys, it's Scorpius HD. Welcome back to another video. So now today I'm going to be taking my bike around this pond. I'm actually going to be testing out my Ancheer electric bike's different modes. So now my bike here has many different modes. It has zero pedal assist, 1 pedal assist, 2 pedal assist, and 3 pedal assist, as well as throttle assist and pedal assist. And I'm going to be testing them all out today. I'm going to be telling you guys which mode is better to use, and just where you guys will always be able to get you guys will always be able to know what mode would be the best one to try it out in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's scheduled video. Okay, so now let's go and talk about the location where I'm currently at. I'm currently here at one of 5 pond locations here in Brandon Oaks. It's an amazing place to be. I would definitely recommend trying to find a house here. So anyway, I'm popping up some B-rolls of what this place looks like right now. It's an absolutely beautiful scenery. There's different places around here, and they all have beautiful scenery. If you're looking for a good hike, it also makes a good YouTube video backdrop, which is of course what I'm doing right here. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I'm using the backdrop. So anyway, now that all these B-rolls have done popped up, let's go ahead and come send my bike around this area. Okay, now here's what I'm going to try to do here. I'm going to try to go around this part of the road here in all the different modes. Once I get to the start line, I'm going to lower the mode straight down to the 0 section, and I'm going to see exactly which mode is going to be better to ride in with the Ancheer electric bike. So now, I've gone on this road on video, I think one other time when I went around it on my Diamondback. This is going to be my very first time I'm actually doing a performance test with my electric bike on the road. Just a lot of people out here, and everybody's all looking at me all funny. That's what I was kind of expecting to happen. Oh, well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to come right up here. I'm going to lower it down to 0, and I'm going to then see. Right now it's in 3. Right now it's in the 3rd selection. Then I will not be able to use my my throttle after this, because then after I use my throttle, see if I go down to 0, I cannot use the throttle. See, I'm pressing the throttle, it won't work. I always have to pedal. So without further ado, let's go ahead. After I get past where that building is over there, I'm going to then lower it down to 0. I'm going to then straight away then lower it down to 0. Okay, so now here we go. We're going to go and lower it down to 0 in 3. Here we go. Okay, so now it's in 0. Like I said, I've been around this place multiple times before, and I'm probably not topping out very, very fast. Like, I know how to go around this track. I go around it a lot. Okay. Oh, back in went a little bit bad there. Okay. This is very tiring. Here is like very, very tiring what I'm trying out right here, but it's getting it done. Okay. Next bit of road here. As fast as I can get on this. Using my legs as hard as possible on this right now. All right. And in there. Okay. I'm gonna do the same exact area except with the first selection. Okay, so now I'm in first selection. If the throttle does work, I'm not gonna be using it. It's gonna be going in 1. Okay, I'm going around in 1. Feels a little bit easier to push, but by not much easier. Okay. Once I get to the second selection will be the easiest. I'm pedaling about the same speed, going all the way around. Riding these 2 lows, these are what you gotta use to maybe want to go exercising. Cause boy, it's being very, very hard to pedal right now. Going the same speed around every single time. Then, there we go. Okay, I'm going up the level. That's on 2. Again, not using the throttle yet. Okay, here we go. Okay, so far, so good. Again, on the exact same speed. You can probably even hear the electrical power working. See, look, my hands are away from the throttle. I'm not using the throttle. Okay, now let's go around this stretch here. And then, done. Alright, so now I'm going to be upping the level up to the highest level. I'm now in 3. Now, here we go. It's a whole lot easier to pedal this way, I can tell you that. My battery power is going to probably really go low on this one. That's not good, I got to go to work today. Going up around this stretch here now. And then, okay. Now I'm gonna go start by using just the throttle. So here we go. I'm doing a launch with just throttle. Here we go. Well, I'm doing full send on the throttle right now. Okay. Oh, my back end went a little out there. Hope you guys heard that. And then for the final test, we're going to be taking it around while both using pedals and throttle. Okay. We're going around one last time. And then, there we go. And now for the final test, I'm going to launch it by using both the pedal and also the throttle. So I'm going to put on, I'm going to put my hand on the brake here. I'm going to go use the throttle all the way down to the fullest, and then my throttle is in the most powerful setting. Okay, here we go. Like I said, this is going to really waste battery power. Oh, my back end went a little out. Oh, my back end went a little out there again. Okay, one-handed. And so there you guys have it. That right there's my full run of my Ancheer electric bike around this pond area here. So now I've actually filmed at this area twice already. I took my Diamondback here about 2 or 3 months ago, and now I decided, well, now that I got a brand new bike, I might as well bring my Ancheer back around here. So that's exactly what I did. Remember, guys, if you guys did enjoy, please make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and then also go drop a like on this video to support me in the channel. I'm only 3 subscribers away from 500 subscribers. If you guys would please help me reach that milestone, please go tell everybody you know to go subscribe to my channel. I'm currently halfway to monetization. It's insane. So, and also, guys, you can follow me on all my social medias, all 3 of my Instagrams, my Facebook, and also Snapchat as well. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Peace out.